We present you the full range of multi-wash. We have Eco, Standard, and Up. Ecoline is our entry-level model where we decided to downgrade the electronics to offer a very competitive device in terms of price and granting at the same time the highest level of performances. In the Eco, the filling of the water is manual. In fact, you have to insert the water until the overfill points. The heating elements are inserted in the tank. Here you can see also the draining hole. Lifting the basket is absolutely facilitated by a manual operation. We invite you to consult the data sheets of every model to properly identify the capacity. Side brackets are extremely useful to facilitate the operation. Standard line has a touchscreen panel control, recirculation pump, and automatic water filling through an electrovalve. Heating element in the standard line as well in the up are inserted in the boiler where you can have a direct access through the side panel. Optional on every model is the draining pump, able to leading the draining water into a lavabo at the end of the washing cycle. At the end, we have the up lines, where we have as well touchscreen panel control, recirculation pump, automatic water filling, and the basket with guide supports, able to contain and to keep steady trays during the operation of immersion. Automatic basket lifting.